Hi, my name is Rasheeda Gray of Gray Space Interiors. I'm here at the Kaleidoscope project. I'm so excited to partner with Jofa Modern and use the Rhapsody collection throughout my entire space. So when designing for the Kaleidoscope project and designing a beautiful like 2-bedroom, 2-bath condo unit, my immediate thoughts were, who's gonna live here? And so thinking back to this social media influencer and the idea of live, work, and play, I wanted to create a fun and bold, colorful space. So one of my favorite design decisions in the entire unit is the twister wallpaper. It's in our laundry room, and I really wanted to have fun in that space. When I looked at the twister wallpaper, I immediately thought about childhood, board games. I enjoyed using it as the wallpaper in the space on all walls and also as the fabric for the window shade. I really wanted to focus on color throughout the entire space. And one of the Jofa Modern patterns that really drew me in early on was the roulade wallpaper behind me. It is beautiful, it's bold, it's an exciting print. I love geometrics, it's geometric everywhere. And it really just makes a really bold statement on its own. It's really just creating that fun atmosphere, whether you're in the laundry room, folding clothes, or you're in the living room, hanging out with your friends. Participating in the Kaleidoscope project is something that's near and dear to my heart. Not only does the organization give a voice to BIPOC designers and create an awareness that's necessary in our industry, it also supports students who are interested in the arts. And myself as a second career designer who has always been a creative but didn't have the exposure to the arts in grade school growing up, having an organization that could give funding or scholarships or awareness to students about careers in the arts like interior design is amazing. So I really feel honored to be a part of such a great organization with such a big mission.